Welcome to WWE Heavyweight Champion. This night we are going to represent two fighters, the dangerous fighters between coronavirus and Lassa fever. This game must be the toughest game you've ever watched. Corona versus Lassa fever. Right here from Nigeria, the representative, the giant of Africa, we have Lassa fever. And also, right here from China, the disease of the country, we have coronavirus This game must be a tough one. It seems that the coronavirus will won this game. Let the match begin.
Many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
One, two, three.
Thank you for watching that crazy thinkers comedy. Oh, my arm is I beg. Try to subscribe, okay? Subscribe, share our videos, and please, this virus where they happen like this, stay at home, please, okay? We love you guys. This is from Crazy Thinkers Comedy. Please, I beg. Men are help us. Men are help us out. I beg. We need you now.
He don't see information of news.
News information. Information of news.
Information of news and news information.
Oh boy, stay safe. Thank